DJ, one sec, DJ. DJ, one sec, please. Hi, guys. Hi. Guys, I request you all, please.
അതാ ചോദിച്ച പോലെ വണ്ടി ഏതാണ്
Boys and girls, are you guys ready for some action? Come on, people, wake up! It's time to fly with Sebastian and Vivian! Oh, that's a smooth wheelie out here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are we ready? I have given strict instructions. Only the marshals and the photographers are allowed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to begin with the FMX show is going to start now. So the more noise these guys are making, the louder you get, the better stunts you get to see. They need your love and support. You need to be cheering louder.
മോട്ടിവേറ്റഡ് വാമപ്പ.
Well, I would like to request everybody, please clear the tracks. Because when these guys are going to be jumping, we need to clear the tracks. Come on, people! All right, Seb and Vivian are absolutely ready to rock the show, and so are we. Well, let's see what Seb has got in the bag now. All right, people. Do you all want to see the backflip? Wow, that's a heat flicker. This is absolutely a treat to watch. And that's Vivian for you. Absolutely awesome. Come on, people, let's make some noise. Wow, that's a single hander. you get to watch this on the internet. But you guys are lucky to see this live. So that's Seb for you. That is Seb on the Kawasaki. Wow. Absolutely brilliant, Seb. So Seb is from Finland and Vivian is from Switzerland. Come on, Vivian. Wow. Oh, this is absolutely a treat to watch. Come on, people. These guys are absolutely killing it. And you people are lucky to watch this live. Oh my God, this is absolutely a crazy cliffhanger. Do you all want to see the backflip? Do you all want to see the backflip? Wow. Wow, this is absolutely a dream come true. Look at the way these guys are flying in the air. I think Sebastian, he wants the noise. Come on, people. Make some noise. All right, high five. What would you like to tell the crowd over here? Would you like to say something?
Dude, it's crazy. Like you promised for me all the time. You guys you know how to get loud. You're amazing. I think, should we quit or do you want to see some more stuff?
Yeah! Oh, and the people love you. We love you out here.
Oh, sorry, I'm out of gas, but I heard if you scream when I say three so loud as you can, maybe the tank will fill up. No? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's good to go.
Do you want to see the Mexican wave? Do you want to see the Mexican wave? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start from there. Can I see the hands in the air? Over there. All right. Let's do this for Sebastian and Vivian. Oh, Sebastian fans are all doing a high five. Where is Vivian? All right, the crowd is going crazy. High five! Awesome! Vivian, high five! Super, man. The crowd is going crazy out here. And this is... Are you ready? On 3, 2, 1! Continue! Continue! Come on! Yeah! My God! This is absolutely a thing to watch! Alright, Sebastian and Vivian! Alright! Okay! Vivian! If you can come here! What is happening out here? Oh my God! Look at the backflip! That's Vivian! Oh my God! This is an absolute treat to watch! Keep the spirit high, people! All right, ladies and gentlemen, what you're witnessing out here is the MRF War Grip FMSCI National Supercross Championship. And this is the FMX by Sebastian and Vivian. All this action happens only at the MRF War Grip FMSCI National Supercross Championship 2024. Let's see what they got on the back! Oh my my! This is absolutely a treat to watch. Come on people, let's hear it for these guys, come on! Absolutely brilliant riding with these guys. Oh, they've always been showstoppers out here, and every single time they have been showstoppers. The crowd is going absolutely crazy out here, and this is the reason why these guys are over here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, all this action happens only at the MRF Mogrip FMSCI National Supercross Championship 2024 in your city of Kochi. So very soon, we'll be beginning with the races. Do not leave your seats as you're about to witness some crazy racing action coming up shortly. Well, you got Sebastian's jersey. All right, so we have Seb, who is topless. Whoa, ladies and gentlemen, Seb and Vivian are definitely going to be coming back. Soon we'll be starting with the puja. After the puja, we will be starting with the races shortly. All of you who are on the track, please vacate the track, because we are going to start with the races now. Only the marshals and the officials are allowed inside the track. Everybody else, please leave the track. can't really. Enjoy the t-shirt. Open it, open it. Open it. Yeah, yeah. Right way. Yeah. You can keep my t-shirt. So ladies and gentlemen, we are about to begin with the final show, after which we will be going ahead with the prize distribution. Set. Can I come up? Set. Can I come up? You think so? So crazy. This is so crazy. I'm walking slowly towards them. My, this is difficult. Look, thank you, brother. Okay. Okay, this is fine. Yeah, this is okay. All right. Okay. Before we start, let's do a Mexican wave. So Sebastian and Vivian, starting from there, on 3, 2, 1. Louder! Come on! Make some noise! Come on! Super! Go on! Louder! Nice! DJ, shut the music down. Louder! Continue! Awesome! Woohoo! This is crazy, man. This is the finale sequence. Vivian! Absolute dream come true. Oh-ho! Well, this is just a warm-up. As you can see, our riders! That's a heel flicker. Wow, with lovely firecrackers. Absolute treat to watch. Come on, Sebastian! Wow. Absolute dream to watch these guys fly. All this action happens only in the MRF. Wow, Superman! I love the fireworks out here. And we are waiting for a backflip. We want to see a backflip. Wow. This is an absolute treat to watch, ladies and gentlemen. Vivian. Come on, people. I'm sure you have not seen this before. This is one of its kind. guys are doing on a motorcycle. Unbelievable. Wow. Are you serious? The amount of practice and the amount of tones these guys must have broken is crazy. Oh my Lord. This is absolutely a treat to watch. Thank you, title sponsor MRF, for making this possible. Oh my God! How do you put your feet on the handlebar and go up in the air, man? Wow. All right, we're going to see some zero spot wheelies by Seb. Come on, people! Oh my Lord! Come on, Vivian! This is crazy, man. Absolutely crazy. Thank you, MRF, the title sponsor. Thank you for making this possible. And you amazing people having this. All right, let's see Vivian what he's got in the back. Wow, this is absolutely a dream come true. Thank you, title sponsor MRF Tires, FMSCI, KMM Motorsports, Bandidos, Godspeed Racing, Repsol Helmets, oh my God, Monster Energy, MX Store, Sidwin, and TVS Racing. Thank you so much. Okay, I would like to ask you all one more time. Do you all want to see the backflip? I can't hear you. Do you all want to see the backflip? Okay, the crowd wants to see a backflip, and we all want to see a backflip, right? So I need to go and talk to my riders, and I need to request them. What's up? Sebastian and Vivian, please come here. Seb! Sebastian! Oh my God! Sebastian, we need you over here, my friend. Sebastian! We need you over here. Can someone please send him?
കുറേ നേരമായി ഒച്ചത്തലക്ക്
Okay, if you all want to see the backflip, you all have to start screaming, backflip, 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 flip, backflip, one, backflip, backflip. Come on, let's do this. If you all want to see the backflip, you all got to make some noise. Oh, Sebastian is already there. Okay, start clapping with him. Yeah, clap. Superb, man. This is by far the best crowd that I have ever interacted with, man. You guys are awesome. Okay, let's start. Back flip, back flip, back flip, back flip. Are you ready? look so easy. Come on, Vivian! Oh my Lord! Absolutely fantastic. The best thing I like about them is they make it look so easy. But trust me guys, do not try this at home. Please do not. Do not. Do not try this at home. No, 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 no. These are professionals and this is their bread and butter. All right. This is an absolute treat to watch. Both these guys absolutely flipping it. When two riders are riding behind each other, it's called the train sequence, where they both flip together, ride together. That's a train sequence. What are we watching here? Oh my Lord. This is absolutely a treat to watch, people. If you guys want to give a high five, these riders are coming for a high five. It's high five time, ladies and gentlemen. Meet your FMX riders with a high five. Come on. Woo. What a way to greet these amazing riders.